Hello everybody, this is Ariane Arsenault from La Fée de la Mer, and today I am making a candle video featuring the Wooden Wick Co. They are so nice. A couple weeks back, after exchanging emails, they decided to send me a gift box filled with candle making goodies. I got some of their fragrance oils. They actually sent me 2 of their sample kits so that I could smell their fragrance oil ahead of time before committing to bigger sizes. They also sent me some amazingly beautiful vessels. Like seriously, you want to keep them as a coffee mug when you're done burning a candle in those. They're so pretty. And they also sent me some wax samples. So I got the beeswax cocoa cream, the cocoa apricot cream, and the virgin coconut soy. Now take note that the candles that we'll be making today are for testing purposes, and I will not be selling them on my website. Don't look for them. I only have so many of these beautiful vessels, and I really want to test the waxes with the Wooden Wicks, the beautiful crackling Wooden Wicks. If you don't know what Wooden Wicks are, they are a wick made of wood, and they crackle and make this amazingly relaxing sound. It's another experience if you love candles. Now, you can buy some candle making kits if you're a hobbyist and you love candles and you like to make yourself your own. On the Wooden Wick Co.'s website, they sell the kits for small scale candle making, and they also sell wholesales and bulk if you're like me and you run a candle making business and make them for a living. So let's take a closer look at what's in the box and what's on my work table and make some candles. All right, let's look at the fragrance oils. So this is the juicy and fruity sample box. And whoops, I really like the way these boxes are made. They're magnetic, so they stay closed, and then you can just flip them open. And then you have all of the fragrance oils in little bottles so you can smell them ahead of time. And then I also had my other sample box, which was a sweet and decadent selection. They have many sample boxes of their bottles of fragrance oils like this. These are not the only 2. It's just that I picked those because these are my favorite types of scents. After that, I decided to go with the coconut and acai, the cashmere and vanilla, as well as the tangerine and peach tea with the blackberry and saffron fragrance oil. So I got bigger bottles of these. I also bought a couple crystals. So these are clear crystals that I'm gonna play with in my candles. Let's take a look at the vessels that I received from the Wooden Wick. I got these beautiful aura vessels, and I've already unpacked these last week. And these are made of ceramics, and this one is my absolute favorite so far. I like these vessels so much that I decided to buy some more just for, personal pleasure. So let's unpack these and look at the way they are nicely and packaged with an eco-friendly packaging. And I really love receiving orders with this type of packaging because I keep it and I reuse it in your orders when you buy on my website. All right. They are very well packaged. It's like a Kinder surprise. You just gotta unroll it to reveal what's inside. Ooh. Okay, I picked that one for myself. It's a vessel very similar to the first one I showed you, but I got a pink one because I like pink. Okay, so we got this one. And then one of my friends was over when we placed the order, so I got her to pick a vessel, and I will make her a candle in it. And let's see if it's that one. Nope. This one is a silver aura vessel. Or is that the gunmetal aura vessel? I think it may be the gunmetal. I really like that one, so I got another one because I will be making gifts. Oops. That's another one of the little ceramic jars. I got one white as well because look at those 3 together. Aren't they beautiful? And this is the one for my friend, and I hope it's not too pretty because then I'm not going to want to give it to her. Yes! Oh my goodness, it's so pretty! Why did I get another gunmetal and not buy 2 of these? Well, anyways, next time I'll place an order and I'll get myself one. Beautiful. This one is kind of blue with an iridescent rainbow kind of a look to it, so Someone lucky will have a candle made in this. These are all of my vessels. So these are the Aura vessels, and they have a 3.75 inch wide diameter. These are very big vessels, so I will be using a larger wick for these. And these have a 3-inch diameter across. So this is my standard size jar. I usually use the status jars, the 12 ounce, and these are the same weight. In my gift box, I also had the Wax Discovery Kit. This includes the virgin coconut soy, the beeswax cocoa cream, and the cocoa apricot cream. It comes with this little information postcard with all of the information for all of these waxes. So that's very useful. And I really like how classy everything they have is, and everything is printed on, you know, cardboard, so you can recycle or compost these, but I won't because I'm going to be keeping those. They're so beautiful. All right, so let's open the cocoa apricot cream. I've really been wanting to try this type of wax. I've heard lots of good things about it. So it's a nice white, rather firm block of wax. It is a little soft, so I can actually like kind of work through it with my fingers. So it's similar to the plant-based waxes that I've been using and testing. And these are my favorite waxes to work with. Now let's see. The beeswax cocoa cream has a blend of beeswax, coconut, soy, and palm oils. So this is interesting. I've never worked with a wax that had beeswax in it, and I do use beeswax in my soaps and in some of my products, but never in candles. I've never used beeswax in candles, but this is probably a smaller portion because it's very light yellow. It's also much firmer than the cocoa apricot cream. When I press on it, my finger won't give. So this one will be very interesting to test. I did not fold that back neatly. Here I have the virgin coconut soy. And let's open this one up. So this one is a blend of coconut wax, soy wax, with some food grade paraffin. I've never worked with waxes that contain paraffin before. The texture is really nice. It's kind of slippery, and I can feel that it's soft, a little bit like the cocoa apricot cream. So I think this is going to be great for a container candle. And I've had many discussions with different people from the candle making industry about paraffin in candle waxes, and I think they're not as bad as people think they are. This is food grade paraffin. It's perfectly safe. I've read some studies about it from different websites and organizations, and I've had a chat about this with the Wooden Wick Co. I was actually asking Jeff Stanley the other day about paraffin, and their answer was like, I think there's a lot of bad press, but in reality, you should read the facts and make your own mind. But I agreed to use these waxes because I believe they have really high standard of quality, and I'm willing to give them a try. The Wooden Wick offers a variety of wooden wicks, but the best thing to do when you first start out is to get the Wooden Wick sampler box. This kit includes all of their wicks in every different model. So they have the booster wick, they have the crackling wick, the whisper wicks, they have tube wicks and spiral wicks. They also have wick clips. So you get 4 of every sizes in this kit, and this allows you to do your testings before committing to purchasing a large amount of wicks. All of the wooden wicks are ethically sourced wood from FSC certified mills. They have a soft crackling ambience, they're vegan, eco-friendly, uniquely shaped, and they create a modern visual design. They are non-toxic, and they create no carbon soot buildup. Make sure to check the description box below my video, as the Wooden Wick has a discount code for my viewers. Here is a candle from my own candle line made with wooden wicks, and this was made in a 12-ounce status jar. I really love how these candles burn and crackle. They're just amazing. And just to give you a side-by-side comparison, these look bigger because the thickness of the ceramic is bigger, but if you put them side to side, they're about the same diameter. However, because I won't be using the same waxes, I'm gonna follow the wick selection guide from the Wooden Wicks website, as they do provide these kind of tools to help you pick the best wick for the wax that you're using. My candles are made with Eco Soya CB Advanced. This wax is no longer on the market. The company has went out of business, sadly, and this is why I'm testing so many waxes now, because I need to transition to something else. I decided to make this video a two-part video because I just had so many things to say and so many things to show you, and I got a little carried away. So I think this video would be too long if I, show you everything and then make the candles in the same video. So this will be the end of part one. I hope you've enjoyed opening the boxes with me and unwrapping the vessels with me. I surely had fun doing so. And in the next video, I will actually be making the candles. So stay tuned, as this will release very soon. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up if you liked seeing this video, if you like this type of content. Also, you will find links to follow the Wooden Wick Co. They have an amazing learning YouTube channel. They have a beautiful website. They are on social media, and I will give you guys all of the links so you can discover or rediscover this amazing company.